Zoey!
Oh, hey! Now get out of my property!
Your property? No way I'm gonna let that happen!
Let go!
Whoa! What's happening?
Take cover!
Ah!
Oh no! Ah!
Hold on! Where are we?
Phew! The storm is over. Whoa, look!
Oh man, that's a tragedy.
Our homes are gone.
We can help!
Together we're glowing. Gonna be silver.
Gonna be golden!
Wow! This is magic!
We're going up, up, up! The song is working!
Let's continue singing!
It's our moment!
Ha! We're changing too!
I love our new look!
Wow! Will those be our new houses?
The shiny roofs are everything!
They're giving luxury! So exciting!
Couldn't agree more!
Yay!
Snack break!
Mmm!
Mmm!
So squishy and yummy! Aha! I can work with this!
Then let's work together! Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sure do! Guess what this is?
A railroad!
Round and round it goes! Choo-choo!
Wow! Now we need a train! Here it comes! So punctual!
Yay! But how do I come down?
I'll fix that. You're going down, down, down. See? Here are your stairs.
Wow, you have some powerful vocals.
My turn! Take down, 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 down! Huntrix girls to the world! Take down! Come on, let's not miss our train!
Meet you at the station. Hang on, your carriages await. Silver for Rumi, gold for Zoey.
Go girls, take the train, and let the fun begin!
Okay, this is just like going to the carnival.
Woohoo!
Careful, don't fall.
Yay!
I love this ride!
Faster, faster.
Next stop, Adventureland!
This is way better than walking.
We're on the express train to fun!
Aw, so happy to see you happy. But now, the house renovation needs to continue. I know what to fill that empty space with. Not this. Nope. Maybe? Nah. Aha! That's perfect! Who wouldn't want ice cream all year round? I'm designing a sweet living room. Literally. Haha! Nobody will ever get hungry in here. Welcome to the Candy Yum Yum Lounge. Check it out.
Wow, so cool! This is like my dream room. You know I'll never say no to a snack. Yum! My favorite flavor!
Wow!
Huh?
Why did it suddenly get so hot in here? Phew! I'm feeling it too. Give me 1 sec. We can't have all that sweating. You need an indoor pool. I'm building the ultimate relaxation spot for you. Let's make a splash. Haha! This room will be giving vacation vibes. The cobblestones add so much character. You can't relax on an empty stomach. Now this feels like a tropical getaway. So, come on, enjoy it! Wow! You made this just for me? You're the best! Pool party time! I want to spend all day here.
Oh, I think I'm ready for a real meal.
Oops, my bad. I should have thought of that. Let's build the heart of the house. I want this kitchen to feel warm and inviting. But it's also gonna look modern and stylish. All thanks to the silver shades. Something to read while the food is cooking. The final details are in place.
Wow, this kitchen makes me want to bake something.
Bon appetit!
Yum! No biggie. This is only the most delicious cupcake ever.
I'm gonna show you how it's done! Aw! Amazing voice, girly pop. And that reminds me. You need a music room to practice. This will be the place where all the hits are made. Need to place every instrument you might need. Only then it will feel like a real music studio. Walking on gold? Don't mind if I do. Superstar worthy. Ha! I can already hear the music I'll compose in this room. I feel so inspired. Time to do some improv singing. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'm vibing to the melody.
Same! Loving this tune. Aw, someone's sleepy. This means it's time to decorate a bedroom. Top floor it is. This will be the coziest room in the house. It needs to feel like a warm hug, but it also needs to be K-pop star worthy. Only the best product for her. These curtains shine like stage lights. And this corner will be where the glam happens. The floor is ready for a runway walk. Obviously, music deserves a place on display. Psst, you can continue your beauty sleep in your comfy bed.
Wow, this room is so cozy and glamorous at the same time. I can't wait to curl up in that bed. This is every fashion lover's dream. Strike a pose. Vogue. Feeling fabulous. Serving looks. Owning the runway.
Yes, queen!
Wow, amazing! My turn! I'm aiming for iconic. Time to sprinkle some star power around here. Every corner of this room will be Instagram worthy. 'Cause ordinary, that's not in my dictionary. Luxury unlocked. Something's missing. Ha! There! Stars! I'm bringing the night sky indoors! Also, now it truly feels like a celebrity suite. Check your new bedroom out.
Wow! Rumi! Come! Look! We can have the best sleepovers in here.
I'm loving this for you girls.
How fun!
We're real fashionistas. Let's feast.
Dig in!
So good.
Glad you're enjoying everything.
Yeah! Come, Rumi! Let's write some new songs for our fans!
This beat is sick.
Let the music flow!
Perfect harmony. Last one in is a rotten egg. Splash!
Haha! Now this is living!
Vacation mode activated. My most delicious room.
Can I try everything?
Such a fun place to hang out.
We did it!
Yeah! We nailed this renovation!
Team forever!
Oh! Looks like the fans are waiting for their favorite K-pop singers. Aha!
Oh, they're having fun in there.
Hello, I'm here for the event.
A quick security check? Authentic mermaid. You can go.
Thanks, bye.
Have fun. Huh? What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew! Right on time. Hey there!
Hello.
Let's do this!
Stop right there.
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh, I see.
Wait!
Why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time! For you!
Whoa!
Where are we?
So cool!
Ah, a surprise box. I love surprises. Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow!
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Let's go! No time to waste. The show must go on. Shoes off.
Bye, Boots.
Whoa! Watch out! Haha!
Time to wrap this up. Literally. This is taking longer than I anticipated.
Makeovers require patience, I guess.
Done. Wait, we can't walk.
Maybe we did something wrong? Whoa! Look! We got a cute visitor!
Aw,
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
yum.
Yum, indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead!
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next. I was right. Let's try it.
Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying… But wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! Oh, of course I love it! You're really good at your job.
Bye!
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing! Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey! Good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How is that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though! Let me show you! Can't imagine you without your signature front hairpieces, so I'm creating a mermaid version of those! Voila!
Wow, thanks!
You're welcome! But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these! Check it out!
Wow, I love it so much! This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit. Huh? Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see! Mine's gotta be golden! I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow! Our new friend got even more surprises for us!
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too. But I need to wash my face first.
A little help?
Huh? With what?
My hands are busy holding this.
Okay, I'll do the rest for you. What would you do without me?
We're a team for a reason.
Yep. Now back to... You can't believe the treasure I found!
And I have precious pearls here. And I have no reason to not put them on my face.
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies! Get out of the way! I got them all! You use pearls? I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift? Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go! Huntrix!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment.